Today we're making red wine prune syrup with sesame snaps. You're going to need a small pot, a spatula. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon. For ingredients, you're going to need about 25 prunes, just over a cup of red wine, 1/4 cup of cane sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 pinch of salt, and your sesame snaps. Add the prunes, sugar, cinnamon, and salt to the pot. Next, pour the red wine all over the ingredients and give it a stir. Turn the heat to medium. Bring everything to a simmer, stir, and reduce the heat. Simmer for about 40 to 50 minutes. After that, remove it from heat and let it rest for an hour. When it's cooled down, put it into a bowl, top it with your sesame snaps, and enjoy.